Hello guys, I am Amit Sarkar, lecturer of geography at Govardhana Hindu College. In this video, I am going to show you how to normalize any value of any particular data and how to perform unskin transformation. In research work, a researcher often face this kind of problem when a researcher dealing with multiple data or multiple variables, then the normalization of data is required in some times. So in this video I am going to show you the procedure by which you can able to normalize the data from multiple variable and huge amount of data, and you can also able to identify and to pursue the method of unskin transformation. It is very crucial. Performing unskin transformation, you can able to judge the quality of any entity like soil, climate, and land use, land cover, etc. So stay with me. Microsoft Excel, and this is the data. You can see the variables. The data is bulk density. This is the uh, physical characteristics or physical properties of soil. You can see the multiple variable. From this variable I am going to calculate the normalization value for each sampling site or each location site. For this purpose, you have to calculate minimum value, maximum value, sum, count, and average value from the given multiples variables. Now I am going to show you how to calculate maximum and minimum value. For this, for calculation of maximum value, you have to type max, then select the entire dataset and press enter. The value will be calculated. In the same way, to calculate the minimum value, you have to type min and then select the same data in the same way and then press enter. Now the maximum and minimum value has been calculated, and you can see that it should kept in mind that to calculate to normalize the value, you must know the first value of the dataset. I am going to normalize the value. For this purpose, you have to select on cell, put 0.8 from the keyboard, and then put multiply from the keyboard, then provide first bracket from the keyboard and select the first value from the dataset. Then press minus from the keyboard and select the minimum value from the and select the calculated minimum value that we have already you can see that we have already calculated the maximum and minimum value, and then then close the bracket from the keyboard. After that, divide from the keyboard, then again start first bracket from the keyboard and select maximum value, and then select and then provide minus from the keyboard, and then again select minimum value from the, then close the bracket and type plus from the keyboard and type 0 point on and then press enter. You can see that the value has been normalized, that is 0.192308. You can normalize your data. Now it's time to perform on-skin transformation. For this purpose, firstly you have to calculate the count, that is how many data you are using. Notice that I am using 22 parameters. You have to divide each individual data by the total number of parameter we are using, that is 22. For this purpose, select the individual data, divide from the keyboard and select the number of parameter, that is 22, and the on-skin transformation result has been calculated. You can see the result, that is 0.02 on 3 something like that. I am going to calculate the second value, that is 0.15 skin transformation value. For the third parameter, 0.0122. In the same way, you can calculate skin transformation for the rest of the parameter.